Never put these 6 foods in your fridge, or you won't even know what made you sick. Most people store these wrong and it's messing with their health. 1. Garlic cold makes it sprout and turn rubbery. Mold hits fast. 2. Ginger fridge moisture equals mold plus bacteria. It goes bad real quick. 3. Onions. Moisture ruins the texture and grows mold from the inside. 4. Cucumbers. They hate the cold, get soggy and spoil fast in the fridge. 5. Coffee fridge smells ruin the taste. Beans absorb everything. 6. Tomatoes. Cold breaks them down. You lose flavor and end up with mush. Recheck your kitchen. You're probably storing at least one of these wrong. Follow for more smart food hacks.